Good morning, Nub Nation. This is what happens when you're a princess. I go to get you coffee delivery in bed. Ooh, a little bit of wind this morning. So I'm gonna go get coffee for me and Jordan, drop it off, and then I'm gonna go surfing with Trevor. Wind's offshore, so we're stoked. Good morning, guys. Look how heavy this guy is, dude. Dude, what?
What up?
Dude, I'm gonna clean those pants right off the bat.
Lazy rabbits.
When you get the treatment.
This is a treatment.
Wow.
Thanks, Bobs. So nice. You know what?
What?
I'm fucking with you.
So then your wetsuit doesn't get all sandy and shit when you change on the
what? Dude, heavy. That's really rad. Thank you very much.
You're sick.
Alright, right now me and Trevor are in the car heading east. We're gonna go try to find some waves. Potential like little novelty setup I hear.
We got like a little rock set up. Hopefully the swell direction isn't too hard east.
Dude. Alright guys, we found a little wave this morning. The waves are like 2 to 3 foot, wind's offshore. Trevor has a little sick little novelty rock jump set up. We're gonna be surfing off of a little rock. You guys know I love that. We got some soft tops and I got my shortboard and I'm gonna grab the GoPro and we're heading out there. Let's go have some fun. Phew. Good morning.
Look, he's got the pose. Do the pose again. That's pretty good.
Whoa. Rhino chaser.
Where'd you get that? Hawaii.
Alright, the goal right now, guys, is to jump off this rock, land on my surfboard, and keep riding. And not get hurt. Sesh went down. Trevor took me to the secret spot, fully stomped the rock jump, beyond ecstatic to do that. So thanks to Trevor for filming. We're probably gonna go get some coffee, right?
Coffee, start talking some shit.
Phew. Good morning from Montauk. It's on. It's a beautiful day. Hope you guys are enjoying yours. Phew. Peace.
Later, man.
Dude, good to meet you. Great to surf with you. Thanks a lot. Yeah, yeah. You, thanks.
Hi, babe. Hi.
She's cute.
Hi.
All right, peace out, skateboarder. You. Later painting of that piece of driftwood right there. See you, Jordan.
Bye.
10-2, YMA Charger.
6 feet and 12 feet. The tide's going down, as Mickey Doris said. It's sucking out over the reef, and all the sponges and the police and my parents are eating it on the reef, and I'm grabbing the rail.
Dude, legend. We're zoomed out, right?
Are we actually? Yes, yes, yes.
We walked from so far down, I don't even know. At this point, it pretty much feels like miles. Main line, city girl, made it out across these treacherous rocks. And we stumbled upon pretty much what I would like to refer to as a lower's right. It's about 3 to 4 foot and just reeling, little right. So I'm gonna get my wetsuit, try a couple ways out. Jordan's gonna try to shoot. And hope you guys are stoked because we found a dreamer out here. Yoo! Ollie that fucking thing. I've been getting waves non-stop since I paddled out. This wave is a fucking dream, dude. I'm tripping. Oh my God. Hope you guys are stoked on this session. Non-stop wave coming through. Literally feels like lowers out here. I'm so beyond stoked. I can't even believe this is real. Thank you, universe, for all the love. Look at this set. Woo. All right, just got out. Can't really say much about it. I've fully scored. The wind switched what I would like to believe is east now, if I'm starting to understand the directions. The waves are still pumping through, but the wind is now like side shore, onshore. The boy, Claude's on it. So those guys are actually from New Jersey too. They just were randomly here on the same weekend that we were. Dude, that rotator though, Perry Saganis, Gaines Life. That's your challenge right there, that rotator. Beat that, send me the clip. I'll be waiting for like, I don't know, 30, 40 years. All right, we're gonna go get some coffee or something. You! Dude, shout out to Super Brand. That vapor board. Moi. Wait, what did they say? Perfecto.
No, I don't.
Yeah, that's some fucked up Italian shit.
No, you just made it fucked up because it wasn't real.
I accidentally just left with a coffee cup. I stole your coffee cup. Is that your phone?
Yes.
Oh, check it out. Same phone, what? Heavy. First time ever, this is what it's like to go to a yard sale in the Hamptons.
There's wetsuits and a fur coat.
Heavy. What did we learn here today, guys? Never go to a yard sale in the Hamptons.
No, I bet we could have. That was just a stupid house. You can't be putting a fur coat out, acting like that was the like. Oh wow, they must have some good stuff. You know, they're selling a fur, and then you really walk in there, and there's nothing because that's all they had.
They're selling like books with mold on them.
Old towels. Wait, that hurt.
How did I miss it?
Because you always miss me falling. Because I fall so like, or that wasn't falling.
What's going on?
Oh, I would have loved everything. I couldn't really tell.
What happened?
I just got my grease on there.
What happened?
See you in 2 weeks.
Literally just drove an hour out of the way to go to this store for Jordan.
Not an hour on the way. Look at the puppy. Go on, that's
Now what are we doing?
this way. We're just looking.
Capping the trip off with ice cream. The store that Jordan wanted to go to so badly was closed, but we had an amazing weekend in Montauk, so thank you to the universe. Thank you for all the people for being so hospitable. Thank you to everything, for the waves, for the glory. Thanks to me for renting the hotel room and driving. Thanks to you
For looking good.
Yeah, looking good. Yeah.
There you go.
All right. Hope you guys are stoked for this drive home through New York traffic. You.
It might not be bad. If it's bad, we could just go and stop.
You bad bitch.
I don't know.
Ew.